Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghu here. In this class, we do some practice programs in Python on data structures. In our previous classes, we have done so many examples and we have given an intuition about how to write the programs, data structure programs in Python. These examples and intuition what we have provided, they will help you a lot in solving all these questions so that you can easily crack the placement exams and your coding intuition will improve. So please follow our playlist so that you will have a better understanding. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. You can visit our website learningmonkey.in for taking the placement practice tests. Coming to today's programs, let's take the question, try to solve it on your own, then check for the solution. So that is what you have to follow. Consider the following in stack. They have given, so all these intuition already provided. In stack, top to bottom means they have provided you the object in stack of class stack. Means they are providing you a stack, means the functions that are available on the stack. We can use those functions on this object because it is of stack class. So this intuition we have provided. Based on that, we are not explaining again this function, where this function comes from. All these things are not, we are not explaining it again. So what is the content? So this is the content provided in the in stack 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So what is the content of the out stack from top to bottom after executing the below function? After executing this function, what is the content that is present in out stack? They have created another stack content called out stack using a stack class of size 5, which takes in stack as parameter. So this function alter stack is taking in stack object as a parameter. Okay, what is the content that is left in out stack? That is what you have to identify. Okay, coming to the second question. Consider the following in stack and in list. Here they have provided you both stack and list. Means the operations that are present on the list, the methods that are available in the list and the methods that are available in the in stack, all are available. They are providing you the objects. They are given as input to the function given below, so that we can use the methods that are present on the stack and list object. Okay, that is what they are mentioning here. There are two stack is having elements TAEWS from top to bottom. In list content 4 to 16, these are the elements. What will be the content of in stack? What will be the content of in stack from top to bottom after executing the below function, where head of in list means the head variable of this in list. Means the head variable, the address of the head is sent as an input to the function, and the stack is also sending as an input to that function. So what's the function parameters are? The head variable is sent as an input to the function first time, and it is a recursive function. It is calling recursively. Be careful. All the concepts of recursion are, we already discussed. We have done different practice tests. Based on that, you have to solve the questions. Okay, this is our second question. Okay, coming to the solution part, let's try to understand what's going on in our first example 5/4. Whenever we are solving this data structure problems, please you provide the data structure and write the values. This graphical intuition will help you a lot in solving the questions without any mistakes. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. These are the elements that are present in stack, and we are taking an out stack value. Out stack of initially it will be an empty stack. What's this function is? What's this loop is going? What's this loop is doing? Let's try to understand. While not in stack dot is empty of, whenever this in stack is not empty, this loop will execute. This loop will execute whenever this in stack is not empty. After going inside the loop, val is equal to in stack dot pop off. Means they are trying to pop the element from the in stack. Means 5 will be popped off and it is assigned to val. If not in stack dot is empty, after removing the topmost element, there are still elements. If the stack in stack is not empty, it is going inside the if. Otherwise, go to else. So what's going on in the if condition? Temp val is equal to, they're taking a variable temp val is equal to in stack dot pop off. They're popping another element. 5 is popped off here and it is assigned to val. 4 is popped off and it is assigned to temp val. So temp val is taking 4. Out stack dot push off. They are trying to push an element into the out stack. What's the element? Val plus temp val. 5 plus 4. What's the value? 9. They're pushing it inside the out stack. Okay, they send the value 9 to the out stack. After pushing the value, they are sending back again the temp value in stack dot push of temp value. They have popped 5 and they have popped 4, and after doing the addition they are sending it back. Means now the in stack is consisting the elements 4, 3, 2, 1. So each time when it goes into the loop, it is trying to pop 2 elements, adding that, sending it to the out list and send the second value to the in stack. That is what happening. So 5 plus 4, 9. Whenever it goes into the next loop, 4 plus 3, what's the value? 7. 3 is again sent to the in stack. Whenever it goes into the next time, 3 plus 2, 5. 5 is sent to the out stack. 2 is again sent back to the in stack. 2 plus 1, 3 value is sent to the out stack, and 1 is again sent back to the stack. 1, whenever they pop 1, there are no elements. Whenever it is empty, it won't go into the if condition, it will go into the else condition. Pop of val plus 2, 1 plus 2, 3 values. So what are the values that are present in this? 3, 3, 5, 7, 9. So this is our output. Final out stack consists of, from top to bottom, 3, 3, 5, 7, 9. So that is the output. Coming to our second question. See, this is a bit difficult to understand. You have to understand the concept of recursion, then only you will get understand. We will explain you only one iteration. You have to continue doing the second and third, fourth iteration. We will give an idea so that your understanding will improve. That is what we are trying to do. Okay, let's try to understand this. In stack, TAEWS, in stack is having TAEWS, that is what top to bottom elements are, and we are taking in list. In list is having 4 to 16. Okay, in list contain 4 to 16. So what's happening here? In the function, if head is equal to none, so for this function they are trying to send the head value and in stack value. This stack is sent as input to the function, and the head position means the first element head position is sent, head address of this position is sent as input to the function. Head means head is pointing to the first node. So that's why we have given some intuition about linked list, how to implement a linked list in Python, previous classes. If you are not good at that, please watch that and come back here. If head is equal to none, no, it is not none. If head is equal to none, return else. You have to do this. So what's this like? Try to understand. Temp stack is equal to, they are creating one more stack. Temp stack is equal to stack of whatever the size of in stack, that is what they are taking the size, and they are creating a temp stack. So this is what our temp stack is. We are taking one temp stack. Initially it will be empty. We have written the values. After executing this, these are the values that are present in the stack. So initially it will be empty. Okay, so temp stack and count 1, they have taken a variable count 1 is equal to 0 while not in stack dot is empty. So this while loop execute by taking out all the values until it is empty. This while loop will get executed until this is empty. This while loop get executed, and they are taking one more element, one more value variable element is equal to in stack dot pop off. So what's going on? They are popping the t element t from the, they are popping off and placing it in element. If count 1 not equal to head dot get data, head is pointing to 4, get data means what's the value you will get? 4. What's the initial value? Count 1 is equal to 0, 0 not equal to 4. Yes, the condition is yes. Temp stack dot push of element, whatever the element we popped off from the in stack, push it into the temp stack. if condition is satisfied. Condition, what's the condition? Count1 not equal to head dot get data, means here in this situation 4 will be the value. Head dot get data means this is the value, consists of 4. 0 not equal to 4, yes, condition yes, t is pushed. Again count is increasing, count1 will be 2 now. Again element is equal to instant a will be popped off. If 2 not equal to head dot get data, yes, condition is yes, push a into here. Again count incremented, count1 is equal to 4 now. Okay, while element is equal to e will be popped off. If count1 4 equal to 4 not equal to 4, condition fails, it won't go, means this e is not pushed into the temp stack, e is not pushed into the temp stack. If you understand this, what's happening here, whenever count1 is equal to head dot get data of, it's easy to solve, you can easily solve the problem. So e is not sent. Again count will be 6 now. 4 not equal to 6, yes, it is true. Next time w will be sent, next time s will be sent. Now the temp stack consists of elements t, a, s, w. We have to move from top to bottom, s, w, a, t. What's this last for loop is doing? Taking all the elements from this and placing it in the in stack. Again they are placing all these elements, means from top to bottom, s, w, a, t is sent to here, s, w, a, t. So after executing this one time, these are the elements that are present in the in stack, t, a, w, s. So what's happening here? At the last, return function of head dot get next of. Second time we are calling the function again with head pointing to the next node, and in stack consists of t, a, w, s. Again repeat this process. So the second time, whenever you call the function second time, this a will be eliminated, and next time head will be pointed to 1. In stack consists of t, w, s. Again repeat it. Next time head will be pointed to 6. Repeat it. Some elements will be remain in the in stack. What's the elements? You do it. What's the elements remain in the in stack? I am not explaining it. Next time it will point to 6. Again in stack, some elements will remain in stack. Next time it will point to null value. Whenever it is pointing to null value, just returning. So this function calling will execute for 4 times. So the output consists of, at the last, after executing 4 times, the output is TWS. In stack consists the elements of TWS from top to bottom. TWS, that is the output. You try to analyze it, you do it, so that your intuition will get increased and you will get the coding skills. Hope you understand the concept. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.